Hello everyone, my name is Elizabeth and I run an organization called Ciclomanias. At Ciclomanias, we upcycle products and teach others how to look at byproducts as an opportunity to be creative. One of my favorite ways to connect with the environment and raise awareness about environmental issues is through upcycling. And upcycling is the art and the process of transforming unwanted materials or byproducts into new products that had a higher value and a better quality. So today I want to show and share with you the process that we use and follow when we are upcycling corrugated cardboard boxes. And as you can imagine, one of the first steps is actually collecting the material. And as you may remember, the first R of conservation is reduce consumption. So we're very thankful with our network of community, including our friends and neighbors that have been donating their material for us to use, so we don't have to be buying this raw material that we use. And that includes from corrugated cardboard tubes, corrugated cardboard boxes that we actually cut, remove all the labels, and make it a very friendly material to work and create all the craft and art and designs that we have already available for you. And as you can imagine, this process is very labor intensive. And that is why we call it labor of love, because we really enjoy doing this activity. And so I will ask you to come closer to see the next steps and hope you enjoy the process. So let's start with labor of love, removing all the stickers and then cutting in smaller pieces so it's easier to work with the cardboard. So I just gonna do it so you are able to see the whole process. Now that we have all our pieces, smaller pieces, so it's easier to start working on the next step, which is sketching and then drawing and then cutting, putting together, and then painting. So if you want to learn more a little bit about that, I will show you some basics of our sketching and what are the process that follows. So the next step for sketching is you find a design that you like and simplify the construction lines of that design. So you use it as a template. We at Ciclomanias have about 50 different designs that you can also look at our website. And some of them are already pre-cut for you if you find that the cutting is actually, as you can imagine, the harder. And so we have it already pre-cut for you, so if you want to take a look also at our do-it-yourself kits. So these are, this is the way we do our sketching, and just have these templates, and then we just draw, and then we cut. If you want to add a little bit of design here, you can do just a little cut. You have a little flower. And we can also get another design. Usually pick a cardboard in the corner so it's easier to cut. Some paper is sometimes good to have as well, so it's uniform, the material. So, you can have also small versions of that. Sandpaper like this. And then if you have corrugated tube, it's also always good to just uniform from the inside, so it's easier to just make the base and remove all this little sawdust that is generated when you cut the tubes like this. So it's good to have just the sandpaper to just remove the whole thing and have something like this. And then you, usually when you glue, you actually tend to fold a little bit the material like this, so it's easier to just glue it in the position that you would like to glue like this. If you have a bigger corrugated tube like this, you can just fill it with all the little pieces that you have and do something like this, a very useful pen holder. And so that's pretty much our secret. And as I mentioned, we have a collection of do-it-yourself kits. Take a look at what we have online as well. If you feel like cutting is a little bit challenging, as you can imagine, but it's also fun, and it's something that if you want to incursionate in this world of upcycling, that's a very fun and entertaining way to do it. So I hope you enjoyed the process, and please feel free to share any comment or any craft or any design that you would like us to have in the future. Thank you so much for watching.